On the right point there is the place where Henry Moore's garden is, as Dave and I call it. Roller Bay is up further to the north. Very quiet. There's a storm coming out of the south, and I'm facing northwest here. So the wind's behind me, unusually quiet. And this is a percussion setup I've made. It's a Japanese fisherman. And this is a whale-shaped piece of rubber on which has grown barnacles. Makeshift percussion samples for who knows what. I'm recording Bunsby Islands, background oceanic sounds, 9:30 at night, July 1st, 2014. Hydrophones are out. Glass float, the first one I've found. There it is, Japanese glass float.